Traders, Anthony here looking at the Euro Swissy. We can see we have this strong bullish trend on the daily time frame. This is currently pushing up into this distribution level up here on the daily. Right, so I'm thinking we could have a bit more upside in through this range as it taps into buy-side liquidity. If we go out to a weekly very quickly, this coincides with this weekly candle here. So big level, we could draw a couple of horizontal lines through. We've got these lows through here. Okay, so this is my target on the weekly time frame. So it's kind of midway through this bearish daily order block here. So I'll just mark that up, and then what we'll do is we're going to go down to go down the time frames, and we'll end up on a 5-minute chart, and I'll show you a possible trade idea. So back to the daily time frame. Looking left, yeah, I mean my target really is going to be up around the midway through this range here. Have a look at the 4-hour chart. I generally trade 4-hour time frame. That's my preferred time frame, but I will look at the higher time frames for a reference for these levels. Now, what we've got here is this is grinding up. We've had this strong spike and retrace. So on the 4H, we've got now support level here. Okay, it's whipped through it, up, down, and I'm going to show you something on the 5-minute chart that's it's pretty interesting in a minute. So we'll just mark that up as our 4H. Looking left, see what we've got. Okay, my target area, say we've got the high here, and we've got I mean this through here. This would be my target area for T1. All right, so what I'm looking for is a bit of a retrace here, and then target will be up in here. Now we'll just mark that up, 4H. The daily, we can see it's pushing up. We've got this nice strong bullish trend on the 4-hour, and we've had this move here. So what we'll do is we'll go down to a 5-minute chart now, and I'm going to show you how you can get involved with this. In fact, before we do, for me to get involved with this now, I'm open to opening a small position at the current level, given the momentum, just in case it continues on. So just a small position, very minimal risk. Then I'd be looking to open a bigger position if it pulls back down into this range. So I think my buy area would be, up around or down around in here somewhere. So that would be a buy limit order. I'd set that up in there. But let's go down now and have a look at the lower time frame. And I want to show you this. What we've got here is a bullish trend. You can see here we have this green dot. This is telling us that we have a stop run. This blue line is the London Open, right? So we're ranging into the London Open. It trades off with a vengeance. Okay, so we've got this displacement through here. This is a key signal here to enter long at that level right there, where you see this candle comes back down into it, right? That's your buy level. Or buy zone around here. We've got this indicator giving us a 4-hour and a daily strong bullish momentum. This meets a certain criteria that we've got set up. And then this indicator down here is telling us that 5 out of 5 higher time frame, multi-time frame are green, are bullish. So we've got this strong bullish trend. So what we wait for are these stop runs. This is a bullish move. It's a green signal. So we take that trade. And I mean, you can see the outcome. Let me just go back and show you. What we're looking for is the green bar under, and accompanied by, these two indicators here, these green bars and this one. There's a buy. Well, here's the US, the New York Open back here. Now look at this. See, we've got green bars and the majority green below. And look at this opportunity. So I would suggest you definitely jump on board with us. Have a look at the links below. Nice entry here. Another nice entry here. It's a bullish trend, and then we look for these dots. I mean, how far back do you want to go? It's the same story. All right, so that's one way we can definitely have an edge in the market, is using this strategy. So guys, to wrap it up, as I mentioned, I'm looking for the pullback. Now, well, if we come back to this chart, I'd be looking for a pullback down in and a green dot on that 5-minute chart. So this pulls right back down, we get a green dot, and then we're away. That would be my signal for an entry. Otherwise, if you're not in front of the chart, a buy limit order, stop loss below this red candle, something like that. I'll set that up now. Buy long position. Let's just say it comes back down into this zone. Yeah, I'd be going for a intraday and stop below here. This is a 4-hour chart. That would be my my take on this. Okay, guys, Euro Swissy. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.